Crabs are one of those creatures that seem to capture everyone's attention. Whether it's the way they scuttle sideways across the beach or the delicious crab legs served at seafood dinners, they may seem a little quirky, but these little critters are actually fascinating in their own right. From their unique movement to their importance in marine ecosystems, crabs are more than just the odd-looking critters we see at the shoreline. First things first, crabs have some seriously impressive skills when it comes to moving. While most animals walk forward, crabs have mastered the art of sideways motion. This is because their legs are shaped in such a way that it's easier for them to scuttle sideways rather than in a straight line. It's kind of like their signature move. Imagine a speedy side shuffle that gets them from point A to point B in a flash. This sideways scuttling helps crabs quickly escape predators and get around in their often rocky and unpredictable environments. It's also how they manage to dart in and out of their hiding spots without missing a beat. Now, while they're known for their peculiar sideways dance, crabs are also equipped with some pretty impressive armor. They have hard exoskeletons that protect their delicate insides from predators and the harsh conditions of their habitats. This tough outer shell, called a carapace, comes in various shapes and sizes depending on the species. Some crabs, like the famous coconut crab, have shells so strong that they can even crack open coconuts. Talk about muscle power. But it's not just about protection. The carapace also helps crabs maintain their shape and survive in the often hostile world of the ocean floor. What's really fascinating about crabs, though, is how they grow. Since they have an exoskeleton, they can't grow the way we do. Instead, they have to shed their old shell in a process called molting. This allows them to grow a new, bigger shell. After molting, crabs are soft and vulnerable for a short time until their new shell hardens. During this phase, they tend to hide away and avoid danger, making sure they're not caught off guard by a hungry predator. It's like hitting the reset button, only with a shiny new exoskeleton. Crabs also have some quirky features when it comes to their claws. Not all crabs have two equally sized claws. In fact, many crabs have one large claw and one smaller claw. The larger claw, known as the crucia claw, is used for defense, grabbing food, and intimidating rivals, while the smaller claw is used for more delicate tasks. It's like a crab's version of having a powerful tool for tough jobs and a finer tool for precision. Some species, like the fiddler crab, even use their oversized claws to wave and communicate with other crabs. They're kind of like the ocean's equivalent of a dramatic hand gesture.